Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my new test tube beauty for the month of September. To find out what I got, stay tuned. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel, first off, welcome. Please consider subscribing if you like unboxing videos. That's what I do on my channel. I do all sorts of unboxings. I do clothing, I do fashion, I do beauty, and I do lifestyle unboxings. So if you like those, definitely hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join me. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now, before I open it, I want to give you the quick little rundown and then we'll get straight into see what they sent me this time. What is TestTube Beauty? TestTube Beauty is the luxury sampling experience for discovery and access to the most innovative must-have beauty solutions. And I'm telling you, this is my third box. My first two, I have been blown away and have got some fabulous items that every box, there has been a new item that is now a part of my daily life. You receive this every other month, so this is not a monthly subscription. You only receive it every other month, so the next one won't be till November. You will receive 8 or more full-size products valued at least $150 for this box. So you're asking how much is the box? Oh, and you also get a membership to the magazine. Okay, with the shipping, if you do the every other month, it is $38.90, or you can sign up for the year, which would be $194.50, and that does include shipping. So, like I said, I have not been disappointed with the first two boxes. This is absolutely one of my favorite boxes, hands down. Okay, so TestTube Beauty. Now I'm going to open it, and this is why they call it TestTube. This is what in every box they send you all the items packed inside what they call their test tube. But of course, there's so many items in here they can't fix it, put it all in the test tube. So there's some stuff extra off to the side. So before we open this, we're gonna start with the things that are on the outside of the box. Right there. And then the first item out is this. And this looks like some dry shampoo. And they also give you a little magazine also that tells you about all the products that's in here. Everything usually has a discount code, and as I describe everything, I will put it at the bottom of the screen, the discount code, in case you're interested in taking advantage of that. So, we will start with this first. This is an 8-ounce size of AQUA dry shampoo extended spray. And what this is, this hybrid product combines the cleansing, oil-absorbing power of dry shampoo with the volumizing benefits of a texturizing spray. And you can buy this at Ulta for $24. And like I said, there is a 20% off coupon code. I will put it down at the bottom if you are interested in taking advantage of that. So I'm super excited. I live on dry shampoo, let me tell you. Okay, second item out of the box is this, and this is called Good Science Beauty. And you could have received one of 4 different kinds. I received the hydrating face cream, but you could have also received the skin firming cream, the purifying face cream, or the brightening cream. So it depends on what box you got. And it says how to use, apply to clean skin both morning and night. Among the key ingredients are melatonin, glutathione, marine omega-3, hyaluronic acid, barley extract, and willow bark. And there is a discount code of 20% off too on this one. So it looks kind of like a little fingernail polish bottle. But oh wait, I guess you just pull it off. So there we go. It's a nice cream, nice serum. Oh, that feels so nice, you know. Oh, yes. So $48. I am so happy to be trying that. So that's a lovely product. And the next one out is called this, and this is called Pucker Up. And what it says about this, it says Maskology Pucker Up Lip Plumping Kit. And you can buy this at for $4 at their website, maskology.com. And there is a 15% off code for this one too. And it says, first gently exfoliate lips, then apply the mask and let it work its magic for at least 15 minutes. Finally, apply the plumping gloss for a full renewed effect. Well, I will probably put this in a giveaway. I usually don't use those too often, but that's a great product. And then the next one out of the box, which we are done with the box now, is this, which is AFTERSPA Bath and Showering Exfoliating Washcloth. And you could get this at AFTERSPABeauty.com for $7. And this is an exfoliating washcloth for radiant and smooth filling skin. And it says moisten the fabric and apply a body scrub or wash. Gently massage your skin in circular motion from side to side until you feel clean and exfoliated. And rinse with a towel. And there is a discount code on this one too for 20% off if you're interested in trying that. So let me see. I'm going to open this and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, you can like really get behind you and like scrub your back and get, you know, good scrub areas like this. Yeah. So I will definitely be using that. And it does have a very rough texture, which that is the point of it, is to knock off all the dead skin cells. So when you do put good lotions on, it can absorb. So very good. I'm excited to try that one. Now, let's open the Beauty TestTube Beauty. Now, the first one out is this, and this is a GLOSKIN Beauty Suede Matte Lip Crayon for $22. And there is a discount code for 15% off of this too. And I love that color. That is definitely my color. Like a nice wine color, nice wine burgundy. Oh, I love that color. And a good matte. I'm happy with that one. So I will definitely be using that one. And the next one out is this, which this is running at $120. And this is the ANTEAGE Home Microneedling Intro Kit. And I'm definitely excited to try this. There is a 25% off discount code I will leave at the bottom of the screen. But what it says about this, it says, this is powered with stem cell growth factors. This kit is your one-stop shop to healthy skin. It includes 1 derma roller and 2 vials of home microneedling solution to last 10 treatments. So here's the way the needle or this works. So I guess you like rub that on your face. It feels a little pokey, so I could feel like it would probably break your skin a little bit. And then you have these two vials to apply the stuff. So very interesting. I'm very excited to try this one and cannot wait to try it. And I will let you guys know next month what I thought of this. So that's the way it looks. Very good. Awesome. Awesome, awesome product right there, if you ask me. $120. See what I'm talking about? Good products. And we still have 2 more products. We're not done. And this is cleansing oil. And it's ideal for healthy looking glow. This oil to milk cleanser removes all traces of waterproof makeup and impurities for irresistible, soft and supple skin. How to use. Massage. Use your fingertips to gently massage the oil onto your dry face, including your lips and eyes. Add some water to transform the oil into a milky emulsion and then rinse off. So it's a facial facial oil. You apply it dry to your face, rub it in, and then add some water and then rinse it off. And it's supposed to take off all your makeup. All right, and we have one more product out of the tube. And can't go wrong with this nowadays. This is the hand sanitizer, antibacterial, and this costs $6. And it's a fragrance-free, 70% alcohol. How to use: squeeze a pea-sized amount onto your palm and massage over both hands. Don't forget in between your fingers and around your nail beds, which are two places that are often neglected. So this is definitely gonna go right in my purse. So this is a fabulous, fabulous box to go over. We got the dry shampoo. We got the hydrating skin formula. We got the body scrubber. We got the lip plucker upper. And then we got the lip crayon. We got the hand sanitizer. We got the $120 anti-age microneedling, which I'm definitely going to be taking advantage of that, and dry face oil that you apply to your face and then add water, so it's a cleanser. So once again, I'm totally blown away. I love this box. So if you guys are interested, I will leave a link down below if you want to check it out for yourself. But that's it. I hope you guys are having an awesome Labor Day weekend, and I'll see you next time.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.